engine 8.
Engine 8.
Engine 8's arrived. We've got a medium-sized 3-story on Charlotte. Engine 8's being investigated for the location of the fire. You can show us offensive. All my time. Going to be Duncan Command. Make sure all units are responding to the correct address.
This blue on the sunny side is like a garage on the back side.
Hey, I'm going this side, Cap.
Go around.
You want to take that room? Okay. You want to pop this open, Cap?
Yep.
There's garage doors on the back side.
Engine 9, level 1. 9.
Hey, hit me in real quick.
Duncan Command.
Give me keep on
Okay,
hit.
just confirm with the main driver.
Stop. There. There. Upstairs, upstairs. Go
We
ahead.
have fire on Division 2 of this structure behind the main house. We're making it right now.
Alright, hold on.
Yeah.
You search that, I'm gonna check this.
Yeah, I can do all this.
There it is. Hey, right here.
Yeah.
We'll just tell if they got the line, send it back here.
Jordan, the letter.
Engine 371.
He's got a line.
Hey, let's clear the way.
Yes, sir. That's correct. It's going to work in fire. It's going to be a detached brick structure, small brick structure. Tank still have done anything. We're playing an offensive strategy. Hold up. Stretch this line to the delta side. Engine 8 driver, you can charge to look at 3/4.
Hey guys, it's up in that attic above us. Keep it open till we can pull it.
Engine 8 driver, copy, watch them.
Hey Jeff, work on that up there.
Okay.
It's up above us.
Engine 10. Engine 10, I need you to go on deck. Alpha side. Copy that, in alpha side. Copy, I'm gonna send engine 3 and you are hanging the line up to Division 2. Engine 8.
You got anything?
Engine 9 from engine 8. Go ahead. Quad 5 fan. If you will get a positive pressure fan off of truck 8, get it to the delta side.
Give your cap, you can pull
Copy that, Chief. We need our super for that. Coming out of the eaves on the Charlie side of the structure. We also have solar panels. I cut the solar panels off, but I cannot find no other power.
Hey, Chuck! Right here, buddy! Hey, Chuck, right here!
Keller, go ahead and charge that 2.5.
Yeah, hey, Frank. Keep it going.
We're putting fire out right here.
Engine 8, as soon as you can, give me a hand. Sir, we got an all clear on Division 1. Can you give me a primary search on Division 2?